they hear that fire alarm, the rescue team stays cool and calm. If you're stuck, give them a shout. They'll be there to help you out. Fireman Sam is on the way with the rescue team. Sam is gonna save the day with the rescue team, 'cause they're brave to the core. They are the heroes next door.
A seagull has told Ben that 2 skiffs are in distress at sea and 1 is on fire.
A seagull has told Ben that 2 skiffs are in distress at sea and 1 is on fire. And I thought it was Elvis who could talk to the animals.
The wind keeps blowing us back into it.
Oh, here comes help! Look, it's the rescue team! Thanks, Sam.
Okay, everyone, stay calm while we get you safely onto Neptune. Should I tell them a story?